Are you looking for ways to help your family be healthy while sticking to a budget? That can feel so overwhelming. But today I have really good news for you that there are simple hacks that you can do to help your family stay healthy even when the budget is tight. Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos so that you never miss one. One way that you can stay within your budget is to make your own cleaners. It is a really simple and easy way to save some money, but also keep your family healthy, because so many cleaners have chemicals and toxic ingredients that can make us sick over time. And so making your own cleaners using spray bottles, maybe from old products that you've had, or even just buying some inexpensive spray bottles from Walmart. You can get a big box at Costco that has 2 big bottles of vinegar, and it'll last you a really long time. You can use some baking soda for a cleaner, and it's gonna do more of your hard scrubbing on toilets or even sinks. And then I like to add some lemon oil or orange oil, and that really makes the cleaner smell so much better, and it gives you that smell of a clean house that we all want to have. So that's one way, is just changing up your cleaners. Another way is to shop smart and strategically. So buying items in bulk, especially if you have a family, or if you don't have a family, buying things that are going to last and not go bad. We like to do Costco. It's really close to our house, and it affords for us to buy a lot of things in bulk that our family goes through quickly, but that are healthy items like oats and quinoa, and even nuts. Like we like to buy the big bag of walnuts, and then we can chop those down and sprinkle that on oatmeal. Another thing to pay attention to is buying produce that's in season. And what that allows you to do is to cut your costs down. So like in the winter, buying citrus fruits is going to be more economical for you. And in the summer, getting berries is going to really help. And that also gives your body the diversity of different types of food and helps to support your family's health. Another way you can do that is to compare prices online. So living in this modern age has so many great blessings. And one of them is that most grocery stores have all of their products listed online now, and so you can go around to your favorite stores and you can compare all the prices and see where you can get the best deals. And what I like to do is I like to do my pickup orders for the stores that I can, and then I'm only, maybe walking through Costco, sometimes Walmart, but I can even get a pickup order there. So it makes it a lot easier for us busy moms to get the best prices and to save us the most time. Also, prioritizing affordable self-care. Now, I know that for every mom, it is so important that we get the time that we need to energize ourselves so that we can continue to give to our families. And it doesn't have to be expensive outings to get our nails done or our hair done. It can be really simple things that we can do at home. Well, one thing that we love to do in our family is Epsom salt baths. And Epsom salt baths are a great way to detox the body and to support the immune system. Even for my younger ones, they also like those Epsom salt baths, and it's very economical. And you can even add some essential oils into your salts, and it makes for a very relaxing and energy boosting bath. Reading for relaxation is another great self-care tip that's super affordable. And maybe you don't have a lot of books on hand, but the library is a great resource for free books that you can continue to replenish your supply and find the books that you love most that really make you feel good and energized and ready to do the tasks at hand. And as you know, we're all about taking small steps towards a healthier lifestyle. So one way that I'm doing that is through natural makeup products. And what I decided to do was, instead of just changing everything out, because that's super expensive, I decided to shop around and see where I could get my natural makeup and then just replace my items as I ran out of my old things. And that has actually been really economical, and it also gave me the time to do some research and find the best prices on makeup that is going to nourish my skin and not put more toxins into my body. And then free wellness habits. There are a lot of things that we can do just for free, like taking a walk, going outside to the park. Right now it's snowy here, so spending some time out in the snow. You can also drink good, healthy water, and that helps to replenish our cells and detox our bodies and help our bodies to be supported. So even for my youngest kids, I'm asking them, are you drinking your water? Are you drinking your water? And water is inexpensive, and it is so helpful to keep us healthy. Make sure to check out our hydration video where you'll get more great tips on how to stay hydrated. And getting sleep. We all need a good night's sleep, so make sure you get those kiddos into bed early so that you have the time you need to relax before bed, and then you get the sleep you need as well. Sometimes the most effective tips are the easiest ones, so don't overthink it. Really try to keep things simple and just make one change at a time. Just take small steps, and eventually you're going to get to a more healthy lifestyle that's going to support you and your family. I'd love to hear any other tips that you have that you'd like to share in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you again.